Hello and welcome to my Tunisian Stitches collection. I'm Sarah. Today I'm showing you a super cute Tunisian stitch, the Tunisian Fur Stitch. The Tunisian Fur Stitch is created from a chain in multiples of 2 plus 3. So here I have created a traditional foundation row of 11 stitches, which counts as row 1. So we'll start with the stitch pattern right away. In row 2, we will work in the forward pass in Tunisian simple stitch. So let's start. So very simply, we will pull up loops from all stitches across in Tunisian simple stitch, finishing as usual with a so-called Tunisian neat closing stitch. That is to say, we will insert the hook in the last stitch, the border stitch, inserting the hook both under the front vertical bar and its back bar together. And then we yarn over and pull up a loop from there. Okay, so the return pass is where the stitch happens, so to speak. So it's performed like this. We start by yarning over and pulling through one loop only first, as usual. Now we will yarn over and pull through 2 loops together twice. Once, then we yarn over and pull through 2 loops together a second time. Now we will chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And we will resume our return pass by yarning over and pulling through 2 loops together twice. Once and twice. And again we will chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 twice. Once, twice. Again, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. And yarn over and pull through 2. Again, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops together. And that's the result. Now in row 3, we will work in the forward pass again in Tunisian simple stitch. That is to say, we will have to pull up loops from all vertical bars that are spaced out by these chain 3 arcs, let's say. And while we do so, you will see we will bring these chain 3 arcs slightly to the front with our fingers. So let's start pulling up loops in Tunisian simple stitch, as I said. So this is the first loop. 1, 2. Now we have an arc which we will skip and bring slightly to the front with our finger, with our index finger, and keep on pulling up the following loops from the following stitches, like this. 3, 4, and this gets to the front. Again, skip the chain 3 arc, bringing it to the front of your work, and proceed on pulling up loops from the next couple of stitches, and we'll keep on doing this until the end of the forward pass. Okay, we're almost at the end of the forward pass. 1, 2, and we will finish again with a neat closing stitch. Very important to have a neat border left and right of your work. Now, again, the return pass for row 3 is performed as follows. So again, we will yarn over and pull through 1 loop only first. Then we will yarn over and pull through 2 loops together only once this time. And now we will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And again, just like before, we will yarn over and pull through 2 loops together twice. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops together. Yarn over and pull through 2, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So now we're left with just 2 loops on the hook, and we will just finish by yarning over again and pulling through those 2 loops together. Now we'll proceed in the 4th row by pulling up loops in Tunisian simple stitch again in the forward pass, just like before. 1, 2, 3, skip the chain 3 arc, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so I will show you the result already. See, this is the texture, which is really lovely. You see, with all these knobs or bubbles on front. Okay, and it is almost automatically the result when you just work pulling those chain 3 arcs with your finger slightly, with the middle finger here or with the index finger to the front slightly. This is the result. And now you know also why I have changed the return pass in my 3rd row below, in order to obtain a staggered look of these knobs on front of these bubbles, which is lovely. Of course, if you want to have the same kind of pattern of texture in front, you can repeat the same return pass all over or through the pattern. In fact, in this case, the return pass will be just as in row 2. That is to say, we will chain 1, or let's say yarn over and pull through 1 loop only, and then we will yarn over and pull through 2 loops together twice from the beginning. Then chain 3, and you know the pattern already. Pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, and pull through 2 loops together twice. Okay, so this row will look just like row 2. Okay, so this is the result. I find it really very, very lovely and cute. What do you think? I've already written a pattern for a cute small pot holder in Tunisian Fur Stitch, but I haven't published the pattern yet, so if you're interested, I might even make a video tutorial for the whole pattern in Tunisian Fur Stitch of the pot holder here in my channel, or I may publish it in my Etsy shop, for example. Let me know what you think of this idea in the comments below. And this is it for today. Thank you for watching, as always, and see you next time with my next Tunisian stitch. Bye bye.